black cotton, black cotton, black cotton, black cotton, black cotton, black cotton. Black cotton, black steady stresses, Smith and Wesson's count my blessings, classes incessant. The worst question is the first question. Why do we work like slaves, sweating blades to an early grave? Never got paid, but still we slave in the non-trade. Answer that, then answer this too. Love's gonna get you, you know it's true. Life's a big truth. You better backtrack and try to act black and live. Not to be phony and positive, but why be negative? What's the managing? Black cat got your tongue backtrack, got your sprung, now you're home. Do you feel me? Dumb, did it to me? Attempt to reach each and every brother on the streets. If not peace, then at least let's get a piece. I'm tired of seeing bodies on the streets, deceased. Looking through my high school yearbook, reminiscing of the tears as the years took. One homie, two homie, three homies.
Somebody is in a position where they have to put their life on the line and it can still be fair to everybody like me. I definitely I mind that.
Had shot a policeman, especially teenagers who shot policemen.